A warm welcome to this live session streaming on both Facebook and LinkedIn Live. I'm Abid Mudasir, a QuickBooks Online Pro advisor and a certified trainer helping small owners and freelancers learn how to use QuickBooks Online with confidence. Whether you are just starting your own bookkeeping journey or managing accounting for clients, today's interview is for you. I'm
Okay.
thrilled. I'm thrilled. Okay, just wait, Maya. I'm just coming to you. Thanks for joining me. I am thrilled. I'm thrilled to have with me Maya, our virtual expert in QuickBooks Online here to simplify the learning curve and answer some common questions for beginners. Maya, thank you for
Right.
joining us. Just a quick note before we begin. To keep things smooth and helpful for everyone, let's try to keep your answers between 20 to 60 seconds. Sounds good?
Yep. And thanks for the intro again. I remember that part. I'm ready when you are. Let's simplify some learning curves. What's the
Okay.
first question?
Okay. The first question, straightforward, is that let's start at the very beginning. Maya, what is QuickBooks Online and who is it really made for? Especially when we talk about small business owners or freelancers providing their services in the field.
Okay. So, QuickBooks Online,
Are you getting me?
yep, getting you loud and clear. Okay. So, QuickBooks Online is basically cloud based accounting software, meaning it lives online, not on your computer. It's designed to help small business owners and freelancers manage their finances, track income and expenses, send invoices, run reports, all that stuff. It's really for people who aren't necessarily accounting experts. So it tries to make things pretty straightforward. It's popular because it takes a lot of the headache out of bookkeeping, letting you focus on running your business.
Okay, we hear this question all the time. People wonder if they have to manually enter every transaction. Can QuickBooks Online track income and expenses automatically? How does that work?
It can, and it does a pretty good job. You connect your bank and credit card accounts. QuickBooks uses a service called Plaid to do that securely, and it automatically pulls in your transactions. Then you just categorize them. It's not perfect. Sometimes it miscategorizes things, but it saves a ton of manual data entry. Seriously, a huge time saver, especially if you have a lot of transactions.
Okay, and now this term can confuse beginners, chart of accounts. Can you explain what it is and why it matters for someone who is just getting started with their bookkeeping?
Ah, the chart of accounts. Yeah, that sounds way more complicated than it is. Basically, it's just a list of all the categories you use to track your money, like sales, rent, utilities, advertising, all those things. It's the backbone of your bookkeeping. If your chart of accounts is a mess, your reports will be a mess too. For beginners,
Let's talk about taxes, a word that makes many people nervous. How can QuickBooks Online help users prepare for taxes, especially at year end?
okay, taxes. Ugh, everyone's favorite, right? QuickBooks can actually make it a little less painful. Throughout the year, as you categorize your income and expenses, QuickBooks is basically building a report that's ready for tax time. It has reports specifically for things like profit and loss, expenses, and sales tax liability. You can also connect it with tax software like TurboTax, which makes transferring the data seamless. It won't do your taxes for you. You still need an accountant or to file yourself, but it organizes everything so you're not scrambling at the last minute. So, lifesaver, honestly.
Great, great. To wrap up things, let's leave our viewers with a golden nugget. Do you have any one favorite QuickBooks Online tip or shortcut that could make life easier for beginners?
Hmm. Okay, here it is. Learn to use the bank rules. They let you automatically categorize transactions that come from the same vendor or with the same description. So, if you always get a $50 charge from Starbucks, you can set up a rule to automatically categorize it as meals and entertainment. It saves a ton of time and keeps your categorization consistent. It's kind of hidden, but once you learn about it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
Thank you so much, Maya, for those helpful answers. And to everyone watching, whether you are just exploring QuickBooks Online or already getting your hands into your books, we hope this session gave you a good starting point. If you found this helpful, feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I will try to answer as many as I can after the live. Make sure to follow me. This is Abid Mudasir here for more training sessions, tips, and updates on using QuickBooks Online effectively for your business. See you next time. Bye bye.